Hello students, so have you ever heard about bimetallic strip? So students, bimetallic strip is generally made up of two materials or metals which are joined together lengthwise. Now if we have two materials, one is your steel and other is your copper, then both have the different values for the coefficient of thermal expansion or linear expansion. Now, what is thermal expansion or linear expansion? We know that when your metal is heated, then it will expand. Now, upon heating, the value of expansion will vary from metal to metal or from material to material. So, if the value of thermal expansion or coefficient of linear expansion for the steel is 11 into 10 raised to the minus 6 per Kelvin or per degree Celsius, then the value for the copper is 17 into 10 raised to the minus 6 per degree Celsius or per Kelvin. Now, if we join these two metal plates with each other, then it will form a bimetallic strip. Now, the material which has more value of alpha or more value of coefficient of linear expansion, then it will bend more. So now, if the lower end or the lower part of this metallic strip is copper and the upper part is steel, then we know that the value of alpha is more for your copper. So it will expand more and steel will expand less. So it will bend like this shape, or it will bend in the upward direction. Now students, let's do a demonstration for it. As you can see, if I heat the bimetallic strip, and suppose in this case the lower end is your copper and the upper end is steel, then now you can see that it will bend in the upward direction upon heating. There are many applications of your bimetallic strip. For example, the bimetallic strips are used in your electric iron. Now what happens in electric iron? In the electric iron, if a base plate is heated, then the base plate when heated, then your bimetallic strip will move in the upward direction, and then its contact with the main terminal should be off, which means that there will be no current flow in the electric iron and it will switch off automatically.